Lover, won't you come my way? Let me use you as a vacation. My guts are malignant, so cut me open and get it all out. Lover, yeah, of course you can stay. Have whatever you want to take. Yeah, it'd be such a privilege to give you a spare key until we burn out. Do you love me? Do you love me now? When nothing feels real, doesn't matter at all. Do you love me? Do you love me now? So are we gonna do this or what? Tell me secrets you got. How your parents made you so small and silent. Make me feel deserving of everything you don't like talking about. Lover, I'll be gone next week. Water all my plants and then leave. You're so imperfect, I hate